What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you good. Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to create this graphic animation spot inside Adobe After Effects. So now let's jump on in Adobe After Effects. Let's see how it is. Guys, as you see here, so create here the new composition. This my composition must be in HD. Yes, 1920 to 1080. For this duration, let me give it like 20 seconds, and then my composition name must be called main comp. After this, press OK. So now the things I'm going to do, I'm going to import my images. Guys, this image, I have one of them which is in PNG format and the background which is in JPEG. Okay, so after importing this image in Adobe After Effects, so first I'm going to find this background. This background must be behind or must be under the other images which is PNG. So you have to scale it in order to fit it well in this composition. Okay, and then let me start choosing my image, which image can I use. Okay, because I have many images, so now let me first drag this one and you have to put it on the top of the background. Okay, so now press P for position to make it well, for positioning it well, and then you have to scale just a little bit. Okay, in order to be my image to be displayed well as possible. Okay, so I can call it, this is the main image because I have to put it on the center, something like this. Okay, and then so now I'm going to import the next image. Okay, this is the next one, and you have to use position and the scale for make it well. Okay, on this composition, right? So let me add the next one for this car. Let me put it here. Yeah, this is nice. So this spotlight, this PNG. Yes, let me add this one too here on this side. Guys, you can use more image you want, or you can use the less. So I try to use this image, okay, because I want to show you how you can create these flyers. Okay, these animation flyers, right? So guys, you have to take your time to make it well as possible. Okay, this is perfect. I have to zoom it, scale a little bit, and then yeah, this is nice. So let me add this last one too. Let me put it behind. No, let me just put it in the front of this girl. Okay, yeah, like this, and then I have to zoom it just a little bit, then I have to put it down like this, and then this behind image I have to put it on the top. Yes, that's perfect. Okay, so and let me try to remove it behind for this main. Yes, so now I have to add this spotlight. This spotlight you have to increase like this, and then you have to rotate in this way. Yes, guys, maybe I think I'm done to set my PNG image here in this composition. Okay, so now after setting my image, the things I'm going to do, I'm going to animate. Okay, so right click here, go on new, and then create here on camera. I'm going to animate the camera, and then click on never again, press OK. Okay, right click again, click on new, and then create a null object. This null object is gonna be help us to animate this camera. You have to link this camera with this null one. Okay, guys, you have to remember this. And then for this null one, you have to enable in 3D dimension. Even these images, PNG image, okay, you have to enable for this 3D dimension. And then let me go here on one view, let me choose two views. Okay, is where I can see well how my camera will be animated. So now let me press on this background. I have to put it behind. When I put it behind, guys, you see my background becomes small. Okay, so I put it behind, so I have to press scale. Okay, in order to scale it well, to fit it well in my camera. Yes, just like this. and I'm going to do it for all images because my camera will pass through behind, comes in the front of these PNG images. You see guys, also when I try to move down or when I try to move behind this image, it becomes small, so I have to press scale to zoom it well, okay, in order to put it in that default position. Yes, something like this. Okay, so let me do it for the next image. Yes, like this one. Guys, when you move the camera forward, you see what happened. Okay, so now I'm going to try to move all images in different position, in different place. Okay, so for this spotlight I have to put it behind. You see, also it becomes small, so you see when I try to move my camera, but the spot are already in. So let me put it here and let me move this one too and try to scale it well, something like this. Yes, and yeah, this is the good place. So let me go next image and I have to put it behind. Yes, this is nice. Let me put it here on this one side. Okay, perfect. For these main images, let me put it here, but I have to scale it just like this. Yes, this is nice. And then for these main, let me put it behind like this one. Yes, and they have to scale it. Good, perfect. Yes, okay. For this call must be also as default like this, but I have also moved this image. So guys, when I move my camera in this way, okay, you see what it will be happening. Okay, this one. So, and after setting well your images, after setting well your PNG images, I'm going to animate my camera. So I have to jump like a few frames. Yes, few seconds. Okay, let me go here on this camera layer, click P for position. Okay, and then I have to use this number. You see how this number is going? I have to add keyframe and then back here on the beginning of the camera, and then let me move my camera where it will be started, here behind those images. Yes, right. Okay guys, you see the keyframe is already added. So guys, when you play, first let me smooth it, right click, keyframe assistant, and easy, you have to smooth it. When you play guys, you see what is happening. This is perfect. Okay, this is perfect guys. So let me open up this graph, and you have to smooth these camera animation keyframes, okay, in this way. So when you play, you see how my camera, it will starting by going first and then ending with small move. Okay, just like this. Yeah, this is nice animation. Yeah, the best animation move. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. So, and I'm going to animate what? I'm going to animate this image. Sometimes one image comes from down, other one comes from one side, left to right, okay, by entering in the frame of the camera when my camera is moving. Okay, so now I'm going to start it by main. I have to add keyframe for position, but I have already jumped like a few seconds, okay, and then I have to move my blue line here at the beginning of my clip. Okay, so I have to move down my main image. So when, yeah, this is nice. When you move or when you play, you see how my image comes from down. Okay, so let me play again one more. You see how my image, it is animating. Guys, this is the perfect animation guys. Okay, so, and I have to do it for all images, but I have to animate it with different direction, different location. Yeah, something like this. Okay, something like that. So let me start by this image, I have to add position, frames, so they have to move it in this side because it will comes from that side. So, and when I play, you see how it is coming. That's perfect. Okay, so let me try to extend this space between those two keyframes. So let me find this image too. Yeah, this one. So guys, you see, I think you have seen this way. So, and I'm going to do it fast for this other one remains. Okay, you have to use position, or you can use scale, you can use opacity for, yeah, something like that. You have to use any animation you want. Okay, so when you're done for animating your PNG image, so first let me see how it is. Okay, yes, maybe, so let me pray and let's see how it is. Guys, you see how my animation it is, but my animation is not smoothing. That reason why I'm going to smooth those keyframes for all PNG images. So you have to select those two keyframes, okay, for each PNG layer. Okay, you have to select it, right click, and then keyframe assistant, easy. You have to smooth it. Okay, and then you open up this graph and try to smooth it in this way, same as the first one we do it for the camera move. Okay, so and then you have to do it for all images. Okay, and then you have to select those two keyframes, right click, assistant, and easy. Okay, open the graph again, and then you smooth it in this way. This is nice way. Okay, it is not complicated and it is easy way. And let me do it for all images. Okay, let me do it for all images. Yes, this move, it is very necessary for animation. Okay, yeah, it brings something looks like real. Okay, so when I pray, guys, you see how my animation is coming. That's so nice, guys. Okay, this is perfect one. Okay, so the next, and I'm going to add my logo spot. So my logo spot is this one, and I have to put it here on the top of my PNG images. Okay, this is how my logo spot is, and I'm going to use position for animating. Okay, so I have already jumped like a few frames. Let me try to scale it in this way. Okay, so guys, for here, this logo spot, it comes from down to up. That's the animation we are going to do, right? So let me add keyframe here, and then have to jump some frames forward, and I have to move my logo down here in this way. Select those two keyframes and right click. I'm going to smooth it. Keyframe assistant, easy. That's great. For this graph also, you have to smooth it in this way, and then enable this smoothly. Yes, you see how my logo, it is coming on stage. Yes, so now let me pray and let's see how my final result is. That's so nice, guys. This is how you can create this sport graphic animation inside Adobe After Effects. Guys, if you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below. I just want to know what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and then see you in next video, guys. Peace.